Swazi TV CEO Bongani Dlamini says culture influences an individual's life. Therefore, it is important to the Swazi Nation as it provides a sense of identity and purpose. Dlamini was speaking as a guest speaker at Lavundlamanti Culture Day. We have a report.
Culture is very important because it influences an individual's life in a variety of ways, including values, views, and worries. Basically, belonging to a culture provides people with a sense of identity, purpose, and belonging. It is also important to instill the importance of culture and tradition to a person at a very young age. This is the reason why it's important for schools to host culture days for the benefit of the learners. The principal at Lavundlamanti, Sibanzi, says ever since they started having Culture Day at their school, they've seen a huge difference amongst some of the learners. He says they show great interest in Siswati books and are respectful towards their teachers.
Abantu bethu labaningi sebahlala bodwa ngalokuhlala kodwa ke sikhanze ukuthi sekunezinto labangasatholi isikhathi esingabe bafundisa abadala lokufaka emasiko indlela ukuthi umntwana uthi phatha njani ukhuliswa kanjani. So sabona ke ukuthi sistaff sakalavundlamanti kungaba kuhle ukuthi sibe nemicimbi lapho sitawukhangisa siphinde sifundzise ngemasiko.
The guest speaker of the event was Swazi TV's CEO Bongani Dlamini, who says some of us have neglected our culture and tradition for Western ways.
Sibantu silive asibuhlole ngephepha uve bethu sibulewa thina letinenge letifike nemoya la ngokuqala sasicabanga usimfundo itogcwalisa emasikweni yafika imfundo yasikhweshisa emihambeni emasiko ethu. Kwesibili inholo sasicabanga usitogcwalisa nayo inholo yafika yasichilida emihambeni nemasiko ethu. Kwase sekuba impucuko lekeya yedamuva lapho khona kugitsigitsi lobukhulu kwabonakala ukuthi nawulahla buve vele umuntu lesebona ukuthi sophucukile sakhwesha emihambeni nemasiko ethu.
Dlamini says some of the causes are technology and education. He says we dwell too much on other people's cultures. He also mentions that a few schools host Culture Day, and that is where the problem begins. He further advised the learners to always respect their culture. The inspector of Siswati language in the Ministry of Education, Thandi Nkambule, says to love and respect culture, one needs to know and love their language. So the Siswati language is very important to learn and speak fluently.
Umfana kuza satibite ngokuthi uluswati lokho ukuthi ukhuluma lesiswati. Umfana kuza ayade imihambo nemasiko esiswati uyitfola la kulolu limi lesiswati. Sibalulekile ke lesifundo sesiswati. Sinakile ke silitiko ukuthi njengoba nathishela inhloko sashido siswati bamfana abasasadi.
During the event, Swazi TV CEO Bongani Dlamini presented the principal and teachers with 2 set-top boxes. For Swazi TV News, I'm Lungilele Makakula with Mbongwa Dube at Tobelweni.